Hello everyone. Well, me and Cody was going to go out and do a live stream on putting out a mineral site. And as we was on our way, we noticed the sky, how dark it was getting to the north. So we pulled over to the school parking lot down the road and checked the radar, and lo and behold, another storm's coming. So let's just say those plans got changed, and yes, I got a cat. We got 3 of them. I'm a big bad trapper, but we've got 3 cats. So that was Miss Kitty, if you would like to know her name. We've got a couple others too, but our plans got changed. So we sat there at the parking lot, did some video into the sky, and then it cut loose. So got some video of that, and then I didn't realize at the end of this video that you're gonna see that Cody was videoing me driving back to the house. So still planning on doing a live stream Sunday morning. That'll be July 7th, sometime in the morning. We'll be going over there, starting a trophy rock mineral site and another piece of property. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. For everybody else watching this, thank you for your support. Let me tell you, this is the second storm we got today. It's Saturday, July 6th. I think it's like 8:45 right now, 9 p.m. The storm hit like around 8 p.m. and it just dumped. So you're gonna see it, so everybody stay dry. Check out that sky. It's dropped the temperature probably 10-15 degrees already. Just going to do a pan around, you can see the whole sky. Wish I felt this cool earlier today. You see how dark them clouds are. It's already rained on us once today. Probably dumped about an inch of rain when it did. Now this one's deciding to blow in here. So far, just cooler temps and a little bit of wind. But it looks like it could cut loose at any time. This is what's going on right here in Brazil, Indiana. Just wanted to share it with you. Well, now it's cut loose. You can see those trees over there. There's a pretty good wind blowing. We're just sitting still in the truck. And it is cutting loose. Like I said, we've already had about an inch of rain earlier today. So whatever we get out of this, then hopefully it'll be dry for maybe a week. Just ridiculous, the amount of rain we've been getting. Just absolutely crazy. It is just pouring. So this is what's come out of those clouds I showed you at the beginning, so hopefully it gets over with soon. Everybody stay dry and see you down the road.